How to avoid risk when it comes to your insurance policy. Eric Thomason here, owner of Blue Nail Roofing, and it's important to understand that if you don't act quickly, you could be risking the benefits you have underneath an insurance policy. So if you're dealing with an insurance company whose contract is this thick, which is your insurance policy, you should know what's inside. One of the things that's inside is act promptly. Notify them promptly of damage. Matter of fact, we have another video in our library that talks about your insurance policy and the details of it. I would suggest you check it out. There's lots of great info in there. But in this case, I'm going to tell you a quick story about a commercial building. We helped file a claim on it. The insurance company came out, they had a tarp on it, the wind had blown it open, rained inside, caused a lot of damage. Well, when the desk adjuster got to looking and found out, hey, there's a Google Earth image taken years ago that showed a blue tarp in the same location. Well, this led them to believe, hey, this may not be sudden and accidental. This may be something that's ongoing, has been there for a long time, and we don't necessarily over that. So because the insured, the policyholder, did not take action quickly, they run the risk of losing the benefit of their insurance policy. So the insurance policy they pay through the nose every month for, which says we'll take care of you if there's sudden accidental damage, didn't act quickly enough. It's not sudden and accidental if it's deferred and put off for a long time. So we want to make sure you understand acting quickly is important to avoid risk, especially when you're dealing with insurance companies. And of course, wind or hail, call Blue Nail.